It's a story we hear almost every day. A young brother or sister comes up to a scholar, tears in their eyes, and says, I have been jobless for so long. I went to a sheikh, I got a special dhikr, and I chanted it 100,000 times. I make my 5 daily prayers, I beg Allah in sujood. But still, nothing. I am still unemployed. Why is this happening to me? And in their frustration, some people say, I'm done. I'm stopping my prayers. I'm stopping my du'as because nothing is changing. Subhanallah, have we really reduced our relationship with our Creator to business transaction? Let's be honest with ourselves. We have developed this subconscious belief that Allah is like a genie in a lamp. Nauzubillah. We think of Islam like the story of Aladdin. We rub the lamp by doing a few extra prayers or reciting a specific dhikr, and we expect a voice to say, your wish is my command. But Allah is not a genie. He is your Rabb. He is the King of Kings, the Creator of the universe. He does not take orders from us. We submit to Him. He does not submit to our timelines. Think about it. If the standard of worship was based on whether we get a job or wealth, then the poorest people on this earth, those living in tents without a single clean meal, should all be atheists. But they are often the ones with the strongest iman. Do not make worldly comfort the benchmark of your faith. The Prophet ﷺ warned us, wretched is the slave of the dirham. Wretched is the slave of the dinar. Who is that? It's the person who worships money, the one whose mood, happiness, and faith and fall with their bank balance. Don't panic. Allah is Ar-Razzaq. He feeds the birds in the sky, under the rocks, without them ever asking. He has already written the rizq of every single human being, believer and non-believer alike. Your sustenance is locked in. It will reach you before you leave this world. You cannot escape your rizq any more than you can escape your death. But we worry so much about the future. What about my career? What about my degree? What will happen to me next year? Look at the story of Prophet Yusuf, peace be upon him. When he was thrown into the dark, bottomless well by his own brothers, do you think he knew he would one day be the treasurer and minister of Egypt? If he had spent his time in that well, drowning in anxiety about his future, he would have missed the divine plan. Allah was preparing him. Allah was setting the stage. You do not know how quickly Allah can turn your life around. Put your trust, your true tawakkul in Him. Our entire ummah is struggling today because we have reversed our priorities. We sit around constantly asking, what can Allah do for me? Instead, we need to ask the question the Sahaba used to ask, what can I do for Allah? How can I please my Rabb through my patience? Where is my prayers and my trust? Fix your connection with Allah first, and watch how He fixes the rest of your life. May Allah grant us true tawakkul and ease our struggles. Ameen.